All right, you wrong uns. Right, so you've just created your masterpiece, and now you want to make an animated turntable. Basically, rotate the object that you created in ZBrush 360 degrees and upload it either to YouTube or to a client, etc. The way forward to do that is very simple. The first thing you want to do is click on BPR, and then it would basically create shadows and tighten up this scene, make it look a lot nicer. And then you swing over to this button here, movie. By the way, before I move any further on this explanation, I'm using ZBrush 2021, ZBrush Core 2021. If you're using ZBrush, I'm not 100% certain if the buttons are in the exact same place, but I'm assuming they're roughly in the same place. But the same procedure should apply. I think you have more features in ZBrush than you do in the ZBrush Core. Right, so you click on the movie, click on delete. If these items are ghosted, basically it means that you've already started recording stuff. So you click on delete, save recorded movie note, and then these windows will be displayed. They should be displayed normally if you haven't got a movie buffering in it before. So you got three choices there. You got small, medium, or large. Large is obviously you're going to record the large screen. Medium is medium screen, small, etc. I'm going to just go with large, and then what you want to do then is make sure that this is on fade, and then you click on turntable, and then what it will start doing is it will record your animation now. So it goes through the recording of your animation, it just spins it around slowly. I'm going to stop this because I've already obviously recorded this before, and even though I like this model a lot, you don't need to see it because I see it recording every single frame. Right, so just press escape to stop it if you want to abort it. Now if you go back up to movie, you then hit export, and basically you export it as an MPEG. You can just give it a name, and then you can MPEG it, save it out, and then obviously you can then bring it into your editing software of choice, whether it be Adobe Premiere, Final Cut, etc, etc, etc. Right, that's it, a very quick one. Hopefully that's helped. Any problems, just give me a shout. And remember, don't be a slave to the algorithm. I'm out, laters, bye.